What are executor duties when uncovering hidden assets in probate? Imagine you're handling an estate and suddenly find assets that weren't listed before. What do you do next? That's where executor duties come into play, especially when uncovering hidden assets during probate. When someone passes away, their estate needs to be settled properly. The executor is responsible for making sure everything is accounted for, including assets that might not be obvious at first. First, the executor must thoroughly investigate the estate. This means reviewing bank statements, tax returns, insurance policies, and safe deposit boxes. They might need to check for assets held under different names or in other accounts. Sometimes, assets are hidden intentionally, so a careful search is essential. The goal is to create a complete list of everything the deceased owned, no matter how small or obscure. Once the hidden assets are found, the executor must secure them immediately. For physical property, this could mean locking up valuables or maintaining insurance coverage. For financial assets, it might involve opening estate accounts or transferring control of the accounts to prevent loss or misuse. Protecting these assets is a key part of their duties. Next, the executor updates the estate inventory, which is a detailed list of all assets. This inventory is filed with the probate court and shared with beneficiaries. Including the newly discovered assets ensures transparency and helps avoid future disputes. The executor must be honest and accurate in reporting the estate's value. Valuation is another important step. The executor needs to get fair market values for the hidden assets, often by hiring appraisers or experts. This helps determine the correct amount for tax purposes and fair distribution among beneficiaries. If the estate's value increases because of the hidden assets, the executor may need to pay additional taxes. After accounting for all assets, the executor pays off debts and taxes owed by the estate. Only then can they distribute the remaining assets to beneficiaries according to the will or law. If the hidden assets increase the estate's value, the amount available for distribution might change. The executor must follow legal instructions carefully and avoid favoritism. Throughout this process, the executor has a legal and ethical duty to act honestly and in the best interest of the estate. Concealing assets or failing to report them can lead to legal trouble or removal from the role. When in doubt, they should seek help from probate attorneys, forensic accountants, or financial advisors. In estate and elder law, uncovering hidden assets is vital to honoring the decedent's wishes and ensuring beneficiaries receive what they are owed. The executor's job is to be diligent, transparent, and compliant at every step.